In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capital.com Economic Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, what the information means, and how to use it to prepare for market-moving announcements with confidence. First, log into your Capital.com account on the web or in the mobile app. Use whichever platform you prefer. The calendar works the same way for the essentials. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on a stable connection so times and listings load correctly, since this tool updates throughout the day. Next, head to the Calendar section from the main menu. Depending on your layout, you may find it directly in the menu or nested under areas like Reports or Analysis. If you don't see it immediately, scan the Research or Analytics tabs. The calendar sits with tools designed for market insight. When the calendar opens, you'll see a list of upcoming economic events. Each line typically shows the date and time of the release, the country or region it affects, a short description of the event, and an impact level. The impact level is your quick gauge of potential market sensitivity. High-impact events deserve your closest attention. Medium can move select assets, and low usually has limited effect. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout. The date and time tell you when the release is scheduled, and the country or region helps you link the event to relevant markets and currencies. The description explains what's coming, things like interest rate decisions, inflation updates, GDP figures, or employment reports. These are the kinds of catalysts that can spark volatility. Use the time frame filters to narrow what you see. Choose this week to focus on the immediate horizon, next week to prepare ahead, or custom to dial in specific days. This is especially useful if you trade during certain sessions or want to concentrate on a particular earnings season or policy window. Always confirm the time zone shown so you're aligned with the release time. With the list set, watch events before they occur, especially those tagged as high impact. Keeping an eye on these lets you anticipate potential movement rather than react to it. Note which assets could be most sensitive and consider how different outcomes might influence direction and volatility. Finally, plan trades or manage risk around big releases like central bank decisions and jobs data. That could mean adjusting position size, tightening or widening stops in advance of volatility, waiting for the initial spike to settle, or preparing scenarios so you respond calmly to the numbers. The goal is to be intentional, not impulsive. That's it. Log in, open the calendar, read the details, filter your time frame, monitor key events, and plan your approach around major releases. Use it daily, and you'll stay prepared for what moves the markets.